can we take a moment and talk about a market that a lot of people have taken their eyes off of? And that's cottage country. Part of the reason why we want to maybe start looking there is this is a very turbulent market in the sense that so many people in the pandemic were flooding to cottage countries to get them a cottage. Now that we're back to our new normal, some of these people are holding double, if not triple mortgages, and they really can't afford it. So now they're offloading what they felt was one of their best investments. And there are some deals in cottage country. As you can see, I switched up the map because there are several locations that you should keep your eye on. But if you're an investor or you're looking to get out of the city, there's a lot of opportunity that you might be missing out on right now if you're not actively in the market. Now, if you're an investor, what a great idea to make your investment property a cottage. I put up a third area where price points, one, there's not a lot of inventory. So price points haven't fallen that much, but there are some great opportunities with the properties that are on the market to make this your investment opportunity. So if you're thinking about a cottage, it's not a bad idea. It's a market that not many people have their eyes on currently and could yield a lot of money.